What's going on, guys? Gamer Nation here. Welcome back to another episode of Sleeping Dogs. Today, we are going to be doing our second part. Yay! Just started where I ended off. I actually had to redo some stuff. I had to redo the entire market thing. So, yeah. That's why I have better cop experience. So I was just kind of joking around last time. Yeah, let's do a favor for the vendor. Let's see. Move. Oh my god, lady.
What is it? For some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant? All right.
I just ran on top of all the stuff. So. Oh. Hey. Beat crap out. Oh. Bam. Right in the crotch. Oh, but dodging time. Oh. In the face. Yeah, you're gonna go on this one too. Oh, what? Did they like respawn or something? No, I think more just showed up. I'm sorry guys, I'm being quiet. I'm being really quiet actually. Oh! Try to drop kick me? Nope. Oh, he did. Oh gosh. Actually, you look pretty bad here. Oh! Whew. That looks like it must have hurt. Oh, and you. Where can I take you? There we go. Here's a good spot. Oh my god. Ugh. Just beat the crap out of him. Grab him again. Oh. Oh, I want to do a station routine. Whatever. The golden koi. I actually love Chinese food. I really do. I love it.
Thanks.
Favor complete. Yes. Got $200. Need Winston in the kitchen. Mom's talking on the phone back then.
You shitting me? So what'd you do? Nothing. Nothing but the motor. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major without you knowing, you know? So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. This week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Okay then. I got a haircut, guys. You might not be able to see it. Ask Quan's for Ming's whereabouts. Quan! All these people look the same. Ooh, what's this? I got my phone! His reports getting all out from police reports. They're all locked. But I got a phone. It's like Saints Row, kind of, and GTA. Oh my god. Put the phone down. There we go. Where's Quan? Quan! I'm looking for Ming, I guess. Quan! 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 Yeah, now see, I can never... I don't think I'd be able to live in China. There's so much people. I'd never... Like, there's so many people. I couldn't do it. I immediately just stop.
Mate, I got a message for you.
Oh boy. Now I gotta chase him.
Winston, asshole. Fuck you.
Okay. House is very nice. Oh, wow. Jeez. You just killed a man. Dun 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 dun. I mean, he says OS in like fast, but it's in slow motion, so like it's weird. Come here. Freaking person, bad. Oh, come on, it's not that hard to climb a fence. Or maybe if you're a big person like me, it's really hard. I remember, okay, I got a funny story for you guys. At our football game, our guys were too lazy to open the gates to go to the restroom before the game. So they jumped over the fence, okay? And you know, they were all able to do it. It was a small fence. But then here comes one of our D linemen, you know, the big guy, tries to jump over the fence. He rips his pants, comes to practice on Monday. He has duct tape all on it. It was freaking hilarious, though. Like, really? You guys are stupid enough? And then, like, the coach is, I'm still over here. I didn't have to use the restrooms. I'm still over here, and I'm just like, whatever, what was I, oh yeah, the coach was like, DJ, go tell him to freaking open the gate. And I went over there and I was like, guys, use the freaking gate. Coach sent me over here to tell you guys that. And we're like, oh. And then I left, but then I didn't realize there were still more people in the bathroom. Here comes them still jumping over the fence, you know. And then finally they come back and the coach is like, "What are you doing?" It was so funny. It was just like a great time. Oh! 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 Ooh, okay. What is? Can I do it for this guy too? In there. That's so great. Oh my god. Just remind you. Oh gosh, that is brutal. Oh, now I have to fight this guy with a knife. Ain't fair. Oh, counter. Oh, I gotta counter him. Simple enough. Beat the crap out of him. Boop. Counter. Beat the crap out of. Come on, Ming. Come on, Ming. Ming. Stop it, Ming. Jeez. Oh. Finally. Jeez. Oh. Oh, jeez. I just got stabbed. Alright, I need to go in the light. I cannot see anything. Alright. That freaking guy. Those freaking guys still. Oh, crap. Crap! No! Oh, come on! It's not like that's so hard to like hold down Y. It doesn't take it. It doesn't like. Oh, come on! I feel like this is gonna be your future rage game. I'm not comfortable with that now, because it's just so freaky. Oh my god, I cannot counter for anything. Jeez. Why are you just standing there? Jeez, oh my god. People are amazing. Over here, then stop. Oh, I didn't see this one. Oh! Okay, so now let's see if I can actually... There we go, jeez! Now I can finally beat the crap out of him. That takes away so much health. That takes away so much health. I was like talking quiet there. It takes away so much health when he just stabs you. Oh! Dead now? Dead? Oh, there he goes.
Dog Eye's gonna kill you. Fuck Dog Eyes. Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it. Okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me. Fuck.
Oh boy. We're arrested again. That's perfect. Some chair.
Sheng. I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But, sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad. And not only is it against
For God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendu, let me get the door. There are few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again. Sir, I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Alrighty then. In with the gang. Sweet, I got an achievement. Alright. Oh, I got an apartment. Okay. Rico's outfit from Just Cause 2. What? Wait, what? Are these the same people who made Just Cause 2? I guess. I mean... That is weird. I want to see this Just Cause 2 pack. Because a guy from Just Cause 2 actually looks pretty awesome. Go change my clothes. Keep my feet up this whole time. Access wardrobe, sure. See that new pack. Oh, custom. Why? Oh! It is the one from Just Cause 2. Oh! Dude! Woo! I look awesome. Now where do I go? Get a bike. Oh, so we're finally like out of the. Whoa. Big buildings, man.
You have a car here?
People's back. Ooh. Oh my god. Yes! Yes! Best game ever. 10 out of 10. Oh, this game. Oh, this is so cool. I'm finally I'm out in the city. Oh, sweet, my horn. I'm going. Wait, what is this? What are these, like. Oh. What you got? Wow, I got a lot of money now. What's this? What is this? What is this? Offer help. Nah. This is more. I'm really just kind of focused on the main missions that need to be done, like the the blue and green missions over there. I'm not really focusing on the other ones. Oh, the green one's actually up here, so I'm not the best at driving yet. Woo! Oh, can I get back on my bike? How do I get on my bike? I don't know how to get on my bike. Whatever. So awesome. Oh man, I'm starting to like the city. Oh, I just want guns. Oh, I just want guns. I want a gun. I want a gun. I want a gun. Oh, I finally. Oh, I'm at the police station. No, I'm at the police station. What's this? This is a taxi? It is a taxi. Sure. Take me to the green. Whoa, okay, this map's pretty big. That's cool. Big map, more stuff to do. I need Chelsea go in there and then.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face. Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States. Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right. You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it. Totally, man. It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days? Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in. Well, that's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pull up my ass. It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level London. You're looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut. He's going to be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that. You have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us. Sure, of course. They're never going to know it was us. Unless we get caught. Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in. Time to move up in the world.
Alrighty then. Mikey, they ride this awesome van.
Where'd you get the van? My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it
Drive safely and keep your score up.
I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think of May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie.
Nice, yeah, Jackie.
Photograph in the back. The hall from my last score, baby. Hall. What hall? Put on his mask. Can't let dog eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
You got your money.
Alright. I'm wearing a hat to conceal my hair.
Come and get me!
The text cannot be interrupted. Oh. Nice. So I'm guessing these guys are like kind of harder. Actually, really harder. I mean, like the regular. Like what the heck? I mean, honestly, go from super easy to gigantically hard. Oh, here you go. Stay with me with this one. Stay with me. I think you need to stay with me. Yeah. Intimidation. I thought you said these guys can't, their attacks cannot be interrupted. Oh! Get smacked. Nice. Oh, come on, they got weapons. That's not fair.
There's more of them.
Can I get a weapon? Give me a weapon.
How you like that, huh? Oh, how you like that?
Yes!
Wait, you are hardcore. You beat those guys like it was nothing. Watch me in the warehouse, man.
I need health. That's pretty
Shit,
easy.
we're taking off the goods.
Oh, yes! Freaking Chase cereal.
Go, go, man.
How did I... Freaking Chase music going on?
Don't let him get away, man. Faster, man. That's our whole store driving away.
This is hard.
Ah!
I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
Hurry up, man. They're getting away. Run him off the road! Oh shit! Yeah, hit him, man!
This is so hard to like hit them and not like the cops. I've been doing like a try hard face right now.
We did it, man, we did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Man, that's like hard. I don't understand how you can do that. Oh.
Wait! We got him!
Guys, I'm hoping the brightness is a little better on this video. I turned down the brightness in Sleeping Dogs, so shut up a little bit.
Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit, we did it! Check it out, it's raining Cambria. That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches? What? What do you mean cheap? Jackie, these are fake as fuck. Holy shit, Tyler, what the cops drive? Wait, drive.
Great cop chase.
Where'd they come from?
Oh my god, I cannot one does not simply not crash into anything on this game.
Whoa! Man, why can't they just leave us alone?
Oh crap, I probably went in the wrong direction, didn't I?
I think that's it. Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man.
Come
No
on,
wonder
what?
there's so many criminals in this town. Cops suck.
Oh, this is my waypoint. Actually, that's cool.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
Huh?
Oh my god.
So where's this guy with me?
Don't worry.
It's so hard to drive,
You want me
man.
to stick
Don't
around?
blame me.
Man, I got it under control. Don't know that.
Alright,
It's funny.
Hey, wait. You did good out there. Here. Keep this watch. You earned it.
Right, finally hit the big time.
Nice. What, can I buy watches or something? Oh, I still got my knife. Ooh, upgrade. That's a good one. It's extra damage. I love how I like it's like, oh, 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 what happened to my knife? Oh, it was like a rainbow, like kind of symbol over there. Do I even? Oh my god, I'm gonna go to the cop one now. Blue. Oh, it's like, it's kind of like my melee weapon now. That'd be cool if it's like my melee weapon. Yeah, I will be with you. It's so dark 'cause I can't see anything. But I'm doing it for you guys. I'm just seeing what this is over here. Beat the crap out of these guys. Oh crap. Wow, man, I got lots of monies. Alright. What is this right here? Oh no. It's like a dude. Can I talk to him? Ooh, vehicles for sale. Wow, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Oh my god, this stuff is so much money.
Trust me, come on.
Jeez. Can I get my car on the solar parking thing? Because there's no way. Oh, where is that? Oh, where's my map? Map button. Oh yeah, it's far away. Where's the blue? Who's down there? What's this? Okay. Nice. Yonk, 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 yonk. Alright. Well, you know what? It's been about a good 30 minutes. So I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. And if you did, make sure you check out my Instagram down in the description. And also check out Zion's channel somewhere on my channel. And don't check out the Instagram description because I'm too lazy to do links. Goodbye!